Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about a sponsored product, a VUV Advanced Heated Eyelash Curler Kit. So thank you very much for sponsoring this product to me. So let's use it guys, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. In this package, in this box, the kit, it includes heated eyelash curler itself, which is color white. This one. Very beautiful and it's very handy and small, you can put in your bag. And also the charging cable, cleaning brush. So after using it, we use this cleaning brush. And let's not forget the manual on how to use this one. So let's start, my amigos and amigas, on how to use this advanced heated eyelash curler. So watch out for this video and enjoy! So before using the heated eyelash curler, let's use a mascara first. So doesn't have to be thick or just light. If you're new to it, just use a light mascara on your eyelashes. So I got one. Just the right amount on it. I put my mascara already, so let's use this heated eyelash curler. So we open this and we on it. The small button is here. We on it and hold it. Okay, so the minimum temperature is 65. If you're a beginner, you just use the 65 temperature. If you're expert already in using the heated eyelash curler, you just press it twice and it will go the maximum temperature. 85. Okay, 65. For me, I always use 65 because I like it and it's not that heated a lot. So 65. Expert should be higher, more than that. 65. Okay, so like this. Let's wait for at least 1 minute. Using this one with a temperature of 65. If you're an expert, you can press the button again twice in a maximum temperature, like 85. So let's try using it for 65 for now. 65. Okay, let's try it. Just slowly. Yeah. So how this one curl. So now let's try the temperature of the maximum one is the 85, but I suggest for a beginner try using for a while the 65, then if you're ready to use it, and the 85. Okay, so 85 temperature. Okay, you just keep repeating it until the eyelashes is curl ready. So after using the heated eyelash curler, you can use the comb separator for eyelashes to make it spread. Okay, so let's use this one like this. To make the eyelashes more separated and it can be visible. And also after using it, you can still apply the mascara if it's not for you. You want to be more thicker, apply the mascara again. And same old process, use the heated eyelash curler with a temperature of 65 or 85, okay? For me, no need for me to apply the mascara again because I'm quite contented what it is. So like this one, apply the heated eyelash curler. So done already. See the mascara here? You have to clean that after using it. So in cleaning this one, guys, you have to use the brush that was in the kit. So like this, you off it, like hold and press like this. Off, then use the brush cleaner like this. See, removing the excessive mascara here. See? So it's clean. So this one is included in the heated eyelash curler kit. So this one. So time for review, my amigos and amigas, on what can I say on this product, the heated eyelash curler. I can say I really like it, handy, and it's very convenient because you can carry always at your bag, or you can put it in your car if you want to retouch your eyelashes. Just a small like this. Okay, it's like the size of a pen. So I really like it because I'll put the link in the description box, my amigos and amigas, and feel free to order if you like it. So BUB heated eyelash curler. And also, if you ask me my rating on this product, I can say 10 out of 10. I really like it and I'm enjoying it while doing my eyelashes like that. It's very curly. So like that, okay? So 10 out of 10 on this product. Okay. Good quality too, because you can charge it around 30 minutes is the maximum, because I charge it, it's around 30 minutes and it's already blue light. And remember, my amigos and amigas, don't try to wash it with water. You just clean it with brush, the one that I showed to you a while ago. It's part of the kit already. So this one. So my amigos and amigas, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me, and also thank you for the sponsored product, BUV Heated Eyelash Curler. So check it out, guys.